Libra Bags has become a widely discussed brand across social media and online review platforms, with shoppers questioning whether it is a legitimate company or just another cleverly designed online scam. At first glance, the brand's website appears attractive and professional, featuring sleek layouts, trendy bag collections, and frequent discounts that seem too good to pass up. Many customers are initially drawn in by the affordable prices and stylish product photography, which promise high-quality, fashionable items for a fraction of designer prices. However, when you dig deeper into customer experiences and independent reviews, a mixed and somewhat concerning picture begins to emerge. Some buyers have shared positive feedback, mentioning that they received their orders on time and were pleasantly surprised by the overall look and functionality of the bags. These customers claim the materials were decent for the price point and that the designs matched what was advertised online. A few even noted that they would consider purchasing again, suggesting that not every transaction with Libra Bags results in disappointment. Unfortunately, these favorable reviews are overshadowed by a much larger number of complaints from unsatisfied customers. Common grievances include bags arriving much later than expected, items that look noticeably different from the photos on the website, or, in some cases, orders that never arrive at all. Several reviewers have also reported difficulties reaching customer service or receiving responses that seem automated and unhelpful when they tried to request refunds or replacements. Another concerning factor is the brand's lack of transparency. There is little publicly available information about the company's headquarters, ownership, or manufacturing process, which raises legitimate concerns about accountability. The website often lacks a verifiable business address or clear return policy, and attempts to trace the company's contact details sometimes lead to dead ends or unrelated listings. Moreover, the heavy use of promotional discounts, often claiming 70% off or limited-time offers, is a common tactic used by questionable online stores to create urgency and drive impulsive purchases. Many consumers have pointed out that these same limited-time discounts appear to be permanent, which is another red flag suggesting deceptive marketing practices. Adding to the uncertainty, Libra Bags has a very limited and inconsistent social media presence. While the company advertises heavily through sponsored ads, particularly on Facebook and Instagram, it doesn't maintain an active, transparent engagement with customers in comment sections or messages. Independent video reviews and unboxing clips on platforms like YouTube and TikTok also show a mix of results, some showing acceptable quality and others exposing cheap materials, poor stitching, and mismatched colors. The absence of credible third-party verification, such as Better Business Bureau accreditation or trusted e-commerce platform listings, further complicates efforts to determine whether Libra Bags is genuine. In conclusion, while Libra Bags may deliver as promised to a handful of lucky customers, the overwhelming number of negative reviews, lack of company transparency, and inconsistent product quality strongly suggest that buyers should approach this brand with extreme caution. It's possible that Libra Bags is a dropshipping operation, sourcing cheap items from overseas suppliers and selling them at inflated prices under the guise of an independent brand. Before making a purchase, shoppers are strongly advised to read as many verified reviews as possible, pay only through secure methods like PayPal or credit card, and be prepared for potential delays or disputes. Ultimately, Libra Bags seems to occupy a gray area between a legitimate but unreliable store and a full-fledged scam, making it a risky choice for anyone expecting a smooth and trustworthy online shopping experience.